Hi, so this is the last lesson for our Module 4. So today is where you are going to look at like units and kind of put the answers together on the tables below. So here's an example. Part A says, let's look at 45 plus 64. And they give us these spaces down below to kind of line up our work. So when they say add like units, that means they want you to add the ones places together and then the tens place. And then when you get down here, even the hundreds place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the like units. So I see in my ones place, I have 5 plus 4. Well, that equals 9. So I'm going to put that on my table below. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my next like unit, which is the tens place. Now, it's not 4 plus 6. It's really 40 plus 60, which equals 100. Okay. So now I have some pretty easy numbers to add up. I have 9 plus 100. Well, 9 plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 100 plus the 1 in the hundreds place plus nothing is 100. So 100 plus 9 is 109. So the way that you're going to look at these problems is you're going to look at each spot and you're going to the ones place spot, you're going to complete the addition for that problem. And then you'll look at the tens place, and you have to remember that 45 is really 40 and 64 is really 60 in those tens place spots. And so you have to add those up. So let's look at another one. So I see 109 plus 72. So I'm going to first look at my ones place numbers. And I see 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my tens place, which is, there's a 0 there. So right now I have 0 plus my 7, which is really 70. 0 plus 70 equals 70. Okay. And then my hundreds place is just by itself. I have 100 plus nothing. So I have 100 plus 0 equals 100. Now this is a little bit easier to add up now because I don't have to do any regrouping or carrying over to help add up this problem. So I see that in my ones place, 1 plus 0 plus 0, that leaves me with 1. Then I see in my tens place, I have 1 plus 7, that's 8, plus 0, leaves me still with 8. And then in my hundreds place, I have nothing, nothing, 1. So 1 plus nothing is still 1. So it's kind of like you added up these numbers now, and that makes it a little easier to add. Okay, let's look at this problem down here. 144 plus 58. So let's look at the like units. I see, I'm going to look at my ones place, and I see 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8, that equals 12. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my tens place, 40 plus 50, because that's my tens place numbers. 4 tens plus 5 tens. That's like saying 40 plus 50. That equals 90. It's like saying, what's 4 plus 5? Well, 4 plus 5 is 9. So what happens when you do 40 plus 50? That equals 90. Okay. And then I look at my hundreds place, I have 100 plus nothing. 100 plus 0 still equals 100. Okay, so now I'm going to see that I'm going to have to do some carrying over in order to solve my tens place number. So I see 2 plus 0 plus 0 still leaves me with down here 2. Okay. And then I have 1 plus 9, that's 10. Plus 0 is still 10. So I'm going to have to do a 0 here, and I'm going to carry my 1 over. And then I look at my hundreds, and now I have 1 plus the 1 extra that I carried over. That leaves me with 2. So my answer is 202. Now, you might say, Mrs. McGrew, why don't I just do it the other way? You can totally do it the other way. This is just another strategy to help you. It's kind of like another tool in your toolbox. If this makes sense to you, and you're like, oh, wow, I get it, then use it. If you are confused and you're like, I don't quite get it, then try your best, just try it. But if you still feel more comfortable doing it the other way, where we just carried the numbers over into the different place values, then do it that way too. Everything I teach you is just a strategy to use to try to help you understand it a different way. Okay, so try your best. It's okay. But I do want you to see that you have to understand that when you're adding, you've got like units, meaning they're the same types of units that you have to pay attention to. The 4 plus 8 has to get added. The 4 plus 5 would have to get added, and the 1 plus 0. And all of those numbers together combine to make your final number. Okay, so just try your best. And if you want to still show it to me with regrouping just in vertical form, you could do it that way too.